Welcome to Investor Web, your reliable source for all things finance and investment. Here we strive to demystify the world of money, offering insights that empower you to make the best financial decisions. We believe that knowledge is power, and it's our mission to provide you with the tools you need to navigate the often complex world of finance and investing. Now let's dive into today's topic, 10 things that make rich people dislike you. It's not about vilifying the wealthy or fostering resentment. Instead, we aim to highlight certain behaviors and attitudes that may inadvertently create friction in your relationships with financially successful individuals. By understanding these dynamics, you can potentially open doors to opportunities and connections that could enrich your own financial journey. So grab your notebook, settle in, and prepare to gain some intriguing insights. Stay tuned to uncover the behaviors and traits that may be holding you back in your financial journey. First on the list is misunderstanding wealth. This is a common pitfall that can really rub the wealthy the wrong way. You see, money, for those who have accumulated a great deal of it, is not just about the balance in a bank account. It's about understanding the potential that money holds. It's a tool, a resource to be leveraged and managed wisely. Financial literacy is a value that the rich hold dear. They understand that money can generate more money if invested properly, and they respect those who grasp this concept. On the flip side, misunderstanding this can lead to conflicts. For instance, simply spending money without considering its potential for growth or squandering an inheritance without a thought for investment can be seen as a lack of respect for the value of money. Remember, wealth is not just about having money, but knowing how to use it effectively. Next up is lack of ambition. Now let's delve into this. In the world of the wealthy, ambition is more than just a trait, it's a currency. The rich understand that prosperity doesn't come to those who wait, but to those who are willing to chase it relentlessly. Imagine a race where one person is running with all their might and the other is casually strolling. Who would you bet your money on? In the same vein, those who have achieved financial success are more likely to associate with individuals who display a similar level of drive and determination. On the flip side, a lack of ambition can be quite off-putting. It's akin to an unlit matchstick in a room filled with fireworks. It simply doesn't belong. It can be perceived as complacency or even laziness, qualities not held in high regard in circles of affluence. In conclusion, ambition is the fuel that drives financial success. So, light your matchstick and let your ambition shine. Overspending is another trait that can turn off the wealthy. It's not just about the money, but the mindset behind it. Wealthy individuals often value financial responsibility and frugality, understanding that each purchase is a decision, and each decision can impact their overall wealth. Think about it. How often have you seen millionaires flaunting their wealth extravagantly? Sure, there are a few, but the majority maintain a low profile. They prefer to invest their money rather than spend it. They understand that overspending can lead to financial ruin, and no one wants to be associated with a sinking ship. Additionally, overspending can strain relationships. It can create an unhealthy dynamic where one party becomes financially dependent on the other. This imbalance can lead to resentment and tension, which wealthy individuals tend to avoid. In essence, rich people respect those who know how to handle their money well because it shows discipline, foresight, and respect for the value of hard-earned wealth. Financial responsibility is key to maintaining and growing wealth. Jealousy and envy are surefire ways to earn the disdain of the wealthy. These negative emotions are not only destructive to relationships, but they also stifle personal growth. Consider this: when you're busy casting green-eyed glances at someone else's success, you're neglecting your own potential. Now, it's natural to feel a twinge of envy when someone has something you desire. However, successful individuals understand that these feelings can be transformed into motivation rather than resentment. They see the accomplishments of others as a blueprint, not a benchmark. Instead of being consumed by jealousy, use it as fuel to drive you forward. Learn from those who have achieved what you aspire to, and apply those lessons to your own journey. It's important to remember that success doesn't have a one-size-fits-all formula, so instead of comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20, focus on your journey. Your path to success is unique. Dishonesty is a trait that no one, rich or poor, appreciates. It's a universal truth that honesty builds trust, a cornerstone in any form of relationship. If you're looking to form connections or partnerships, especially with those who have amassed wealth, dishonesty is a surefire way to sever those ties before they even take root. Imagine this: you're weaving a web of deceit, spinning tales that are far from the truth. Yes, you might fool some for a while, but eventually the truth has a way of making itself known. And when it does, not only is the trust broken, but your reputation takes a massive hit. In the world of finance and wealth, reputation is everything. The fallout from dishonesty doesn't stop there. It can severely limit your opportunities for success. People, especially those who've worked hard to build their wealth, are wary of associating with those who prove untrustworthy. Honesty is always the best policy, especially in finance. Feeling entitled is another behavior that can put you in a bad light with the wealthy. You see, the issue with entitlement is that it breeds a lack of respect for the hard work and achievements of others. In the world of the affluent, success is often the result of tireless dedication, calculated risks, and unwavering perseverance. When someone feels entitled, they often overlook these efforts, expecting success to be handed to them on a silver platter. It's like expecting to win a marathon without training for it. It doesn't work that way. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a long, arduous journey filled with countless hurdles and obstacles. So, rather than expecting success to come your way, why not roll up your sleeves and earn it? Remember, the most fulfilling victories are the ones you've worked hard for, because at the end of the day, respect is earned, not given. The same goes for success. Lack of gratitude can also rub the wealthy the wrong way. It's not about showering them with praises or acting subservient. It's about acknowledging the efforts they've put into achieving their wealth and appreciating the opportunities they provide. For instance, if a wealthy individual offers you a job, showing gratitude can go a long way. It's not just about saying thank you. It's about proving your worth, working hard, and giving back in your own way. On the flip side, lack of gratitude can strain relationships. Imagine a scenario where a wealthy friend lends you a sum of money. If you repay it without so much as a thank you, it could come off as disrespectful or ungrateful. It sends a message that you don't value their help or their friendship. Gratitude is not just a virtue, but a key to building strong relationships. It's about recognizing the value in others and showing them that you appreciate their efforts. Negativity is another big turn-off for the rich. It's often said that you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, if you're constantly surrounded by negativity, it's likely to seep into your own mindset, hindering your success. Rich people understand this and tend to distance themselves from those who constantly dwell on the downside. They know that success comes from optimism, from believing in possibilities, and from seizing opportunities, not from dwelling on failures. A negative attitude can strain relationships too. It's draining to be around someone who always sees the glass as half empty, who finds problems where others see solutions, who sees obstacles where others see opportunities. That's why it's so important to maintain a positive outlook. Optimism doesn't mean ignoring reality. It means choosing to focus on the potential, the possibilities, and the opportunities. It means choosing to see the glass as half full, not half empty. A positive mindset can open doors to countless opportunities. Finally, we've reached the end of our list. We've navigated together through the 10 behaviors that can make the wealthy less inclined to engage with you. From misunderstanding wealth and displaying a lack of ambition to overspending and harboring feelings of jealousy and envy, these traits can create a divide. Dishonesty, a sense of entitlement, a lack of gratitude, and a generally negative outlook can further deepen this divide. These behaviors not only affect our relationships with the affluent, but they also impact our own financial journeys. By understanding and rectifying these traits, we can improve our financial literacy, build stronger relationships, and set ourselves on a path to success. Remember, it's not about pleasing the rich, it's about cultivating a mindset that breeds success, and that mindset begins with understanding these behaviors. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Investor Web for more insightful content on finance and investment.